Well, it is apparent that I'm testing the fire hydrants here, and I looked up for a second and took my earplugs out, and I heard these alarms going off. So I don't know if that has anything to do with me. I called security. They're on their way. Hopefully the fire department doesn't show up. All right, where are you, security? Where are you? Here he comes. Testing. We're testing the fire hydrants. I don't know why these went off. Sorry. Not at all. Here, we can silence it right here. Sorry about that. I don't know why these alarms are going off when I'm flushing the fire hydrants, so hopefully they won't go off anymore. Oops, pardon me. Acknowledge, silent. Let's just say you were here by yourself and this thing started going off in the middle of the night. You're going to come in here, or any of these, you're just going to press that acknowledge and silence. And that'll silence all those alarms.
Okay, for sure.
So we can leave this closed, and if I'll call you when I need you. But yeah, thank you again for your help, eh? Okay, so I just found out when you run the fire alarms, or excuse me, when you run the fire hydrants, I still got to do this one, but you can do those when the mall's not open. It's always something. Okay, let's go test some fire hydrants. Let's go. Okay, it is apparent that I just flushed this fire hydrant right here. And look at what's coming out. All these cockroaches. Look at the size of these things. Look at them. They'll crawl up your leg if you're not careful. Yeah, if you don't like cockroaches, get out of here. Look at it. They're all going to my truck. So yeah, I dumped all that water down that storm drain, and look at. Hopefully they won't go home with me. Let's zoom in on a couple of them. Let's say right there. I just don't want any to get on my feet. I got cockroachophobia. All right, thought I'd show you cockroaches coming out of the ground. And where'd they all go? To that truck? I don't know. I hope not. Maybe they're